So now let's see how we can work around with audio merging inside of HitFilm. So what happens is that usually when you record out video footages, you might be recording video from one camera and recording out the audio from another audio device. So let's say you want to go around and merge them together. You can manually merge them, but you can also utilize the auto merging feature inside of HitFilm. So to do that, over here you can see that I have this particular video footage. So I'm just going to go around and import out this particular audio right here, which is recorded separately right here, as you can see. So now you can see that this is a video footage right here, and this has an audio wave in it as well, which can be used as a reference to merge them out. So all you need to do is you need to go around and then select shift and then select the both of these medias together, like the video and the audio right here. Then you need to go around and right click, and over here you can see that merge audio and video is an option over here, just like this. If I were to go around and click right here, then you can see it says merge audio and video right here. So it's detecting out the video, and this is the merged one, as you can see right here. So if I were to go around and bring that in, then what happens is that the merged audio is here. So it detected out the audio from this particular video clip, and then it aligned it out automatically with this particular audio clip, and then created a merged video. So this is what you have. So let me just go around over here, and then you can see more control than, and you can see that that is what you have. This is the merged video right here. So that is how you can work around with audio merging inside of HitFilm. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.